And you drive, sipping whiskey and coke, and these beer cans, they roll at my feet. And I listen to you tune to the stations that you sing along to, and I wonder what happened to the afternoons. Well, you learn to walk this world that you're born with instinct and kindness, eaten away by the crowd-like habits that your dad had, and I can see you dying. Would you say it'd be alright tonight? It is past noon, and you're stuck behind a God who won't let you go. So rarely are we left alone? I remember those teenage jokes we told by your mom's garage door. Just like the sidewalk cracked and filled with grass, these jokes are broken. But you say it'll be alright tonight. Then you look at me and you say that you're gonna die, that it's past due, you're stuck behind a God who won't let you go. So rarely are we left